Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, June 22nd, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a good day today. I was totally wrong with my call on the Dow. I said it was going down. It didn't even come close to going down today. As you can see here from the chart, this thing just really took off right at the beginning. I think it topped off around probably at a 150 or higher up here, and then it did pull back some at the toward the end of the day. Dow ended up closing up 104 points. Now you may notice that this chart on the Dow looks a little short compared to like Friday and Thursday. It's because I had some data problems today. And I tell you, as traders, nothing can drive you crazy faster than having computer problems, data problems. I don't have them very often. I'm pretty smart with computers, but boy, I really learned my lesson today. At first I blamed my son for his playing video games. That was wrong. That had nothing to do with it. Then I blamed Charter Internet. Thought they were throttling my internet. That wasn't true. Then I blamed my computer, viruses, botnets, you name it. I was going through the whole list, and finally I realized that I was the one to blame. I had done something crazy over the weekend with my modem, and that was the reason. Anyway, I got it straightened out, but I am missing some data here in the second and third hour of the day. But I have backup systems, and I've checked everything, and all the positions are right. I didn't screw up on my trading, but it is frustrating when that happens. So anyway, what happened, it looks to me, I think this is pretty accurate shape for the chart today, and I think the Dow ran into some resistance right up here at this high back on Thursday, and I'm still inclined to probably call it down tomorrow, but we're holding a lot of positions. I hope I'm wrong again. You know, it's just this thing is really up there. But I will say, our stocks are behaving pretty well, and hey, this thing could go higher again. So I'm going to call it down, but I hope I'm wrong. Let's put it that way. I'll show you some of the stuff we traded today. It was pretty interesting. This first one is Agios Pharmaceuticals, and we got into this thing in the second hour. It just really blew its top very nicely, and we're holding about $2,500 in Agios Pharmaceuticals. We have another pharmaceutical company here, Anacor Pharmaceuticals. Let's see, can I find it on the list here? Anacor. Oh, here we go. And we bought this a little before we bought Agios, but it also took off very nicely, and that closed almost on its high, and we are holding another $2,500 in that. So combine these two pharmaceutical companies, we have $5,000 in open trade profit there. So those stocks are really looking nice. Unfortunately, not everything in the medical field was so nice today, and I'll show you one that wasn't very nice. This is RXDX, which is Radiance Medical Systems. This is a new stock for us, and it just didn't pan out at all. You know, thank God we didn't buy the top here on the open. We wait a while to get in. We got in here, but still that didn't help us. This thing just really went into the pot here, and we're holding nearly $3,000 in negative open trade in Radiant. So the two pharmaceuticals gave us $5,000. Radiance came back and took $3,000 away from us. But we had other good stocks too. I'll show you just one here that was, this is a new one, and this one was good. This is GREK, G-R-E-K. Now, I wanted to try and explain to you exactly what this stock was, and I looked into it, and oh, it's a mixture and a hodgepodge of stuff. But basically, the underlying fundamentals of this is the Greek economy. If the broad-based equity market in Greece is going up, this stock will go up also. And it definitely went up today. We got in here and we're holding over $2,000 in open trade equity in GREK. So that's looking really good. And you know, you may wonder, well, why am I investing in a stock that is in Greece and everything else? And you got to understand, I don't pay any attention to fundamentals. I look strictly at price action. I analyze this thing pretty carefully, and this was a real good stock. It's volatile, and it's done very well with our trading system in the past year, and so that's why it's in our portfolio. And I'm not going to worry myself to death if I don't understand everything about this. I like the price action in it. By the way, I should have mentioned that we are actually holding almost $7,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. We closed out only one position today, and that was in Williden Group, and we lost $340 in that, but that was considerable improvement over what we were holding on Friday, because Williden was down about $1,800. So we improved in everything today. Had a good day. So Trader Bob's happy, and I'll be back here online tomorrow on Tuesday, and I hope we have another good day.